Let's see what we can find under the stump. Looks like nothing. Alright, we're doing another flip here. See what there is. Looks like there's nails in here. That's quite interesting. Gotta be very careful. You don't want to get tetanus. Looks like there's a worm. Let's see if there's a snake. That'd be cool. Well, today I was going on a nature walk in the woods behind my house, and I looked off the path, and look what I saw. Check it out. Ain't he cute? So according to Google, this is an eastern box turtle. I'm going to bring him back up to the house and wash him off, get him all nice and clean, and I'll put her back. I believe this is a female because the bottom of the shell is flat. I believe the males have like a dent, but yeah, I'll get her washed up so we can get a good look at her shell when it's clean, and then I'll release her back to the wild where I found her, or near where I found her, so she can go about her life. So I'll be back when I'm doing that. So I am back up by the house. I got a little rainwater and an old toothbrush, and let's go ahead and give her a clean. Let's see. All nice and wet. Wet the toothbrush. And give her a nice wash. And that rainwater is the same water I use to give to my snakes because it's nice and natural. It's got a beautiful shell. Hello, buddy. How you doing? Hello, turtle. Turtle time.